My name is Lily. I am 20 years old. I live with my mother and my younger brother. When I was young, life seemed so simple. My mother used to sew clothes day and night just to earn money, but I never realized her pain. I believed that school and games were the only important things. I wanted every beautiful thing I saw. If I liked a doll or a dress, my mother did her best to sew it or buy it for me. I enjoyed my life, but I never saw the trouble she faced. I never cared about bills or hard work. When I turned 18, I looked at my mother's tired eyes and decided to help her. I got a part-time job teaching tuition at a small school. I believed it would be very simple. I thought I would only talk to kids, write on the board, and return home. However, the first day was completely different. The classroom was full. Children were shouting. Books were falling. I managed loud kids and handled heavy tasks. My throat hurt, my head ached, and I felt completely down. I wanted to cry and leave. That night, my mother saw my face and asked about my day. I replied, "It's okay, but I am exhausted." She smiled gently and told me, "You will understand, Lily. Life is not always smooth, but labor teaches you to respect yourself and others." I did not get her meaning back then. The following week, I worked harder. I learned how to guide students softly, check notebooks fast, and speak to angry parents nicely. I observed my team members, some old, some young, putting in long hours. One female teacher arrived every single day without fail. She was quiet, always gentle, but she worked the hardest. I asked her the reason. She replied, "I must support my home. Each day is important." Her message stayed with me. After 1 month, I received my first salary. I purchased a tiny gift for myself, but I gave the rest to my mother for kitchen food. For the first time, I learned the true value of money. I remembered all my childhood wishes, the toys, the clothes, the treats, and I understood they were not free. My mother paid for them with her sweet and painful hours of sewing. One afternoon, my mother spoke to me with tears in her eyes. "You are different now," she remarked. "You used to dislike small tasks. Now you work and show love. That is maturity, Lily. Honor is built, not received." I felt happy inside. I knew I was not that little girl anymore who thought life was easy. I had gained patience, discipline, and thankfulness. 2 years went by. I kept teaching at that school and went to college at night. I always remembered that first truth, that life is about giving your best, not just taking now. When I watch my mother sew clothes, I see the big sacrifices she made for us. I see why she never stopped trying. Even when times were tough, I discovered that real joy does not come from wealth, but from understanding, hard work, and love. Moral: life is tough, but labor brings respect, thankfulness, and power. People who work hard without complaining are the ones who deserve real praise. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe.